What's up, apes? Hope you're having a good day. As you all can see, AMC has been beat down quite a bit. I just want to tell you my prediction for what I think is coming next. Um, I think, hedge funds, shorts, institutional investors, however you want to word it, I think they're going to buy into AMC today, jack it up, make some more money, get it to $17. Buy put options and dump all their shares, and then the next low we will see is about $13. As far as GameStop, we see it's been beat down quite a bit. Same thing. I think it'll hit around $99, and then I think it's going to start dumping. Same thing. They're going to buy in heavy, buy put options, dump it, and that's how they double dip and make double profit. They make money here, and then they buy their put options, dump, and then they make money on the way down, and that's going to discourage more apes. I think it's going to create more selling. How low will GameStop go after that? Again, I think it's going to drop to $50 before it short squeezes and start seeing some real a trend upline, an algorithm that's basically showing that it's going to take off. Same for AMC. Like I said, although I think there is potential for AMC that it could take off at $13, I do see a risk at worst $6 to $9, or possibly $12. But I do think we have a chance at that $12 or $13 range that it could also show an algorithm of a strong trend and upline continuing that could initiate the short squeeze. So I just want everyone to be prepared for what's coming, because just because we're moving up right now doesn't mean all these shares aren't going to be dumped and we're going to shoot back down again. It was just like a few days ago when I was seeing these different YouTubers saying we're about to skyrocket, on AMC and GameStop, and I'm just like, rolling my eyes, like, all right then, and I'm the one that's been consistently saying on past videos and my predictions on they get beat down very low, is to avoid apes from being surprised instead of prepared. And a lot of apes have panic sold. That's the bottom line. So this is to get you prepared for what's to come. Right now, in my opinion, would be a good time to consider, if you know about options, while these stocks have been pushed up, consider buying some put options to mitigate your risk. Obviously, the lower a stock gets, the more risky the put option comes, but you just have to ask yourself, do you really think these stocks are going to start shooting off from here? I don't. Like I said, I told you what I think's going on. And, as I said in past videos, the stock market, it's all rigged to take your money. That should be obvious now. It's corrupt. The SEC's corrupt. And, you have to hedge against, you need to have a hedge against your investment, your risk. You need to protect yourself. And, one great way to do that is put options, which is why I was recommending everyone consider selling nearly everything back in November and basically trading that with put options. And anyone who did that obviously has made a lot of money. And that's why I was recommending put options on AMC before the bloodbath really started, and same with GameStop. Unfortunately, I don't have a broad audience, so, it is what it is. But for anyone watching now, I hope you're able to be prepared. And if you have sold, I hope you maybe consider getting back in, because I would hate to see these stocks take off without you. Like I said, that's psychological pain some people can't deal with. And you've been in these plays a long time. It's been a hell of a fight, and we're going to win. It's taking some time, but we're not out of the shit yet. Like I said, I think this is just another one, bump up before it pops back down again. So I think there's more pain to come. So just be prepared, not surprised. If you said, you don't want to wait to buy put options until it's already down here. They've jacked them up. If you want to get some put options, you know, it wouldn't be a bad idea. What put options you get, that's up to you. I'm assuming if you do them, you know what you're doing. If anyone has any questions, feel free to ask. And again, this is not financial advice. Trade and invest at your own risk, but I want to see people avoid losing money and make money and hedge against their risks. That's what this is all about. So y'all have a great day. I think we're getting closer to the short squeeze. The lower it goes, shorts aren't in a position where they're losing millions of dollars, and ultimately we're looking for them to cover those short positions and take off, right? So the lower it goes, the better off we are. So you know, it's kind of one of those, not to sound cliche, but darkest before dawn things. So don't give up hope. You know, it's looking bad. It's going to look really bad before it looks really good. So just hang in there. And, you know, I think you'll be glad you did. As I say, take everything I say with a grain of salt. But, like I said, all of my predictions have been right so far. That's all I can really say. And anyone that's taken my advice has avoided losing a lot of money and, quite frankly, made a lot of money. So with that being said, I hope you all have a great day. Be prepared for what's to come and hang on tight. I will say I do think with the call options on AMC, you know, I think the implications, you know, there's probably not many apes that are going to sell at around $100, $140, whatever. But I think AMC, in my opinion, a safe exit point is selling 50% at $300, 50% at $400. And on GameStop, I think $800 is a good exit point.
I think the pizza.
What, buddy?
I think the pizza's done.
Okay, I'll be right there, buddy.
Sorry for messing up.
That's all right. It didn't mess it up. It's all right. I'll be right there. It's one of my little apes, you know, invested in AMC and GameStop. But anyhow, like I said, all I want to do is help people, especially those who don't know, those are new. I hate to say, you know, don't know what they're doing. I just mean those who haven't done this a long time, and if you're a new trader and investor. So anyways, hang in there. We're getting close. We're all going to get paid. So hope you can lay back, relax, just know what's coming, know you're going to get paid. And then next, we need to look at when we exit, what are we going to do when they get up here? You know, like I said, proper planning prevents poor performance. Be prepared, not surprised. You need to know or have an idea in your mind where you want to sell, and maybe buy at least some percentage of put options, because looking with Feds raising, and I'm kind of repeating what I said in the last videos, but since this is for apes, you may not have watched those videos, but with Feds set to raise interest rates 3 to 4 times this year, I think you need to understand that the financial sector is poised to benefit the most. So you may want to consider investing in SOFI, stock ticker SOFI, at $12. And I'm not saying to get out of AMC and GameStop. This certainly isn't FUD, but consider getting in something also that's poised to benefit, because there's, as I said in my other videos, I think there's a lot more pain to come on the broad market, and that includes stocks and cryptos. So as Feds raise interest rates, you know, there's an inverse relationship between inflation and interest rates, but as every time Feds raise interest rates, everything's going to go to shit a little bit, and you know, this balance out, it's going to take a while. So you just need to be prepared. Having a strong portfolio isn't about sentimental or emotional attachments to any stock or crypto. At the end of the day, it's about where you buy and sell. It's about the balance in your portfolio. It's about constantly, you know, assessing where you should allocate your funds to. And not only making money on the way up, but the way down as well, and getting in the heads of these shorts. You know, what are they doing? Why are they buying in? I mean, are they buying in because they want to buy put options so that when they dump, they not only make money from buying in and you buying in as well, but then when they dump, you know, and then it discourages more apes. We see more selling. You know, understand how these shorts work. Like I said in the past videos, this is all designed to take your money from you. So you need to understand that and be prepared and start positioning yourself moving forward to get into, or at least consider getting into the financial sector. We got Sophie, SOFI, this is stock ticker, you know, Young Bank. They're poised to benefit from the Fed's raising interest rates, while everything else is going to continue to bleed, in my opinion. So just be prepared for that, and just consider it. Like I said, I think $12 is a good entry point. And as I mentioned, I do want to throw out Beyond Meat. Why? Because they are the most shorted stock on the Russell 1000 index, so the implications are obvious. Where's a safe entry point? In my opinion, $50, $55 at most. So again, the implications are there. They're partnering with McDonald's on their meatless burger. So, you know, what's going to happen? I mean, shorts are going to get, you know, down here. They're going to make their money. And what do you think's going to happen? There it goes again. So, you know, you can still make a lot of money in a down market if you missed out on the put options. If you didn't mitigate risk, you've been bleeding, you know, your portfolio's bad off. You know, it's never too late to reassess and get everything built back up. But yeah, I'll just be frank with you. If you're holding for 50,000, 100,000, even 10,000, I think you're in for a rude awakening. I think it's a time, especially in this market, to be realistic and, you know, make your money, make more money on the way down, and, you know, assess, allocate your funds, and of course diversify, and just be careful. This is obviously a risky market, and you can watch my past videos for more information. Basically, like I said in the past videos, not to sound like an arrogant prick or anything, but everything going on now I predicted. You know, and I'll be uploading more videos to solidify that credibility, because why? To build a name? No. To establish a rapport of trust with you so that I'm able to help you. That's why. So just be careful out there. It's your money. It's your livelihood. You don't want to get ruined. I know people, like I said in the past videos, that just didn't listen to one thing I said. And now I know people that are financially ruined because of that. And it's a shame, because I proved time and time again my predictions, and I don't mean to repeat myself, but understand that not everybody watches all my videos. So I'm trying to get the point across that, you know, most people are in the red, and I was trying to prevent that, and I wasn't able to, for obviously most people. But moving forward, that's what I would like to do. Is get enough of a following to where I can help people. And it's not just these videos where I'm blowing smoke up your ass and it's time to get rich. You can join the Discord and pay more if you actually want the real good information. No, it's all free. And I'm just trying to get you prepared for what's coming next, moving forward, what to do now, what's coming. More pain. Who's going to benefit? Financial sector, Young Bank, Sophie, $12. Let's get this money. Let's get prepared for the AMC and GameStop short squeeze. Let's be realistic. Let's hedge against our risks. If you know options, you want to get puts when things are inflated, not deflated. And just be ready. So y'all have a great day. And I hope your portfolios start looking better soon, because I know that most of you are in the red. And I got to get going. My little ape in there, he's not in school right now. So I got to get in there and tend to him. He wants his little pizza out of the oven. It's probably about done. So you all have a great day, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.